Hey guys, it's OwenTheComedian. Welcome back to another video. And today it's kind of like, I don't even know, I'm just vlogging today. It's kind of like, it's Saturday, you know, it's raining out. Not very fun. Jack is here. He is playing with his Legos.
Not playing with them, I'm just bored.
Oh. Yeah, we're all kind of bored. You know, it's Saturday. We're all kind of tired. It's been a long week, so, you know,
I know what I can do, Owen, to make us less bored. See this little car?
What? Oh my goodness! Jack!
Look at that!
What the heck? Why did you do that?
That was hilarious.
Why did you do that? Honestly. See, guys, I have to put up with this every single day. Why'd you do that?
It was fun.
It was not fun. Alright, you guys know, Jack is so bored that he's just smashed his Lego car. But, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do today. I'm really hungry, even though it's like, I don't even know what time it is. Jack, let me see what time it is. What time is it? Show me. Show me. 2:42. Okay, so it's 2:42. And I'm already hungry for dinner. But, yeah, it's raining, but I'm going to go find something to do. So I'm going to go see what Henry's up to. Henry, open up.
Let's look.
Hi, Henry. What are you up to? Hey! Okay, so I don't know what he's up to. I think I heard him. Henry, what are you up to?
Playing.
Can I see? Let me see. No, Henry, let them see.
It was so thin.
Oh, wow. What are you doing? You playing with your cars? Huh.
Give that back.
Interesting. And what are all these boxes in your room? Ow! Don't hit me. Why are all these boxes in the room? Hey!
No, but you never find out later.
Ouch. Hey, stop.
Alright.
Alright, I'm getting out. Calm down. Yeah, so everyone seems a little grumpy today. Alright, yeah, Henry's grumpy today. Jack is playing jump rope with a string. What on earth? So yeah, I think I want to show you guys something outside, actually. It's a new flower. We planted some flowers. They look really nice. Let me close the door. Sorry, Ruby. All right, let me close the door. It's kind of raining. But yeah, we got our flowers there. They look really nice. And wait, what was that? I just heard that. What the heck? Oh, Jack Finley. I don't even see him in there. What the heck? I hear him in there. He's laughing. Okay. Jack, hey. Hey. He's doing take the L to me. And Ruby's going crazy. Jack, you better let me in. Hey, you better let me in. Oh, my God. All right. Let me. Oh, my God. Wait, what'd you say?
We're not coming back in.
I'm not. Guys, I don't know any way in. Like I said, it's raining out. I don't know. Jeez. Can't believe this. Oh, my goodness. He's just laughing. He is just laughing. Okay, I know I could go through the backyard, but I'm in socks. And I don't even know, guys. Jack, you better let me in. Oh, my. All right. All right. I may have to do this. Oh, jeez. Hey, let me in.
You have to say the secret password.
Come on, Jack, let me in.
You have to say the secret
Stop.
password.
Jack, let me in.
You can get in.
Jack, I'm all wet. Now let me in, please. Let me in. again. Hey, stop! No! No! I was so angry. Stop laughing. That's stupid. Oh, jeez. I don't even know what to do, guys. Oh, my goodness. I'm terrified. Cars driving by. Yeah, I got my socks all wet. That's just great. It's just great. Can't believe this. All right, guys. It's been, I think, according to my phone, it's been a half hour, 30 minutes sitting out here. And I'm really bored. I don't even know what Jack's doing. It's still raining, hard as possible. Of course, when I'm locked out here. Jack has locked me out of the house. And he's just sitting in there on the computer like a little jerk. And I'm stuck out here, basically. And it's not fun. It's not fun. Guys, I think it's time for some desperate measures. I'm going to do it. I'm going to go in my socks over. All right, I'm going to step on this wet grass. Oh, that's mud. Okay. I'll just step over the mud like so. Here, how squishy is the mud? Oh, it's not mud. Okay, we're good. We're good. I'll just step over the trash can. Okay. Walking through, and the fence better not be locked, because if it is, I'm going to lose it. All right, let's see. Oh, can it? Yes! There we go, guys. And now the porch is up there. I'm going to close this. All right, coming around in my gross, wet, dirty socks. I'm going to have to take them off. Seems like lately in my videos I've had to take off my socks. All right, we made it. We did it, guys. All right, guys. I did it. Made it up to the porch. Take that, Jack. Take that right in your face. And yes! Jack. It's Jack. Okay, Jack.
How did you put it back though? Nice. This is what we're buying for you next time.
A lock. That's great. That is just great. So, is this door locked? Yes, it is. I have to go all the way for the back and into the back door. And Jack, I've lost it with you. Can you believe Jack did that, Ruby? Can you believe that? Well, this was supposed to be a nice, friendly, happy vlog. And instead, it turns to be a really angering vlog. I give up.
I'm gonna go get some ice cream.
Ice cream. Can't believe this. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, so guess that's all for today. Jack locked me out of the house in the pouring rain. My socks are all wet, thanks to him. He's such a jerk. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, which I hope you didn't, because it was me being locked out of the house, make sure to leave a like. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Do not subscribe to Jack's channel. Do not subscribe to Everyday Jack, because he is a crazy jerk. So don't subscribe to him. But yeah, that's all for today. So see you guys in my next video.